In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tank straps on your Ford Expedition. Before removing the bolts on our tank straps, we're going to use a jack and support our tank. Using a 13mm socket, remove the tank strap bolt. Remove the second tank strap bolt. Grab the front tank strap, pull it down, and then twist it to the side and remove it from the vehicle. Using a 15mm socket, remove the nut off the sway bar stud. Do the same thing on the front one. Do the same thing on the other side. With all the nuts out, pull the sway bar down. We're going to drop our tank down. Since we haven't disconnected anything on top of the tank, when you're going down on your jack or your support, you want to be very careful there's no tension pulling on any hoses or lines. You do not want anything to break up top. Remove the tank strap. Install the new tank strap. We're going to get it close to the hole. Twist sideways. Put it all the way up. And then twist to lock it in. We're going to push our tank all the way back up. Pull the tank strap up, and we're going to get our bolt started. Install the front tank strap. Put it in sideways, twist it, and it'll lock in. Pull the strap around the tank and get the bolt started. Snug down the tank strap bolts. Torque the tank strap bolts to 30 foot-pounds. Remove the support for the gas tank. Swing the sway bar up and install the nuts. Do the same thing on the other side. Snug down the nuts. Do the same thing on the other side. Torque the sway bar bolts to 35 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.